will talk about perspective, but not a very classical perspective. What I developed over the year is a more intuitive way to represent a space as we witness it, to get a very wide angle, kind of fisheye perspective. The heritage we have from Renaissance works only for a very short, wide angle vision. So the regular perspective with 1, 2, or 3 vanishing points only work for a subject that is seen through a 30 angle vision field. So this kind of representation do not allow you to represent what is around you. What I like to show in my sketchbooks is all my surrounding, to open the field as much as the 180 degrees or even the 360 degrees to get the whole scene sketch on my page. This way, it allows the spectator to really witness the place without any limitation. These rules of perspective with 1 or 2 vanishing points do not work anymore after this 30 degrees angle vision. In this drawing, you have a sample of a 1 vanishing point representation. All the horizontal lines are leading to the same point on your eye level. On this other sample, you have a 2 vanishing points illustration representation where you get a 3/4 view of the building, and you will see that one side will lead to 1 vanishing point on the horizon, on your eye level, and on the opposite side to another, to a second vanishing point, still on the eye level. This classic representation works only for some simple elements far away in your vision field. But if you'd like to open the field and to represent much more of what you get in front, we will play with a different approach, curvilinear perspective. I will explain you 2 different concepts, cylindrical perspective and spherical perspective. The first representation is a cylindrical perspective, is to sketch your scene as seen inside a cylinder. So your sketchbook became a cylinder and you're in the middle of it, representing the scene as seen in it. This is your eye level in the middle of it. And if you unfold your cylinder, you get a 180 degree vision, still with your eye level in the middle. And your curves, your horizontal line will become curved. You will understand it better on the following samples. Cylindrical perspective is a really great way to represent a panorama. If you just get 180 degrees, you can duplicate it and sketch what you get behind to fill the total panorama around you. The vertical remain vertical, but all the horizontal line will become curved. Another representation of the curvilinear perspective is spherical perspective. So you are in front of the sphere, your horizon is the middle of your sphere, and everything you look around gets a deformation. The vertical became curves and the horizontal again became curves. We have a very strong education, a visual education, that make us correcting all the time what we see around us. We know that a line is straight on a building and we correct it to see it straight. But as we actually witness it, is as seen through a sphere, and the vision from a fisheye lens is much more accurate than actually the mental representation we have from a building. In the following samples, you will have more application of these different perspectives. Actually, I integrated myself and become very intuitive in my work, and nearly every of my drawings get these deformations. I never use any guidelines in my drawings. I just sketch straight with a line as we saw before. With a bit of practice, I'm sure you will see the work this way too.